Right, let's look at some Hive commands. If you want to know what Hive version you're using, just go to your bash shell and then type the command hive dash dash version. It actually gives you the Hive version. If you want to run Hive query from a file, then the command you have to do is hive -f, and then you give the file name with .hql extension. So this hive.hql file contains the list of Hive commands that you want to execute. For example, a lot of Hive queries. If you want to execute a Hive query from the prompt, then what you have to do is just type hive -e and then you type your Hive query. For example, here I type hive -e select star from table 1. So this will execute the Hive query without using Hive shell, without logging into Hive shell or beeline. Hive supports a lot of functions. There's a lot of static functions, user-defined functions, user-defined aggregate functions, and then there's some table creating functions. So to be a good data analyst, you should be well versed in all those functions. All right. So Hive supports a lot of query optimization. So Hive actually supports the star schema join, which you're familiar if you're from the data warehouse world. And it also supports a map join. It is enabled by default and it allows small tables loaded into the memory and then it does the join. So the table size limit is actually 25 megabytes. The full outer join is never converted into a map join, and a map join will not work when you want to do a right outer join. So it will only work if you do a left outer join, only if the right table is less than 25 megabytes of um, size. This parameter can be changed. So refer to this link if you want to get more information. All right. So hive-site.xml file contains a lot of configuration parameters. For example, hive.partition.pruning, hive.exec.plan. These are the configuration variables you can actually play with. And it is located in opt MapR, Hive, and whatever version of Hive you're using, and then go to the conf directory, which actually allows you to edit this file and then make configuration changes. There's a lot of information available in this reference.